So first thing first, you need signing in to the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the shop icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to scroll down and search for GMA Pinoy. Right here on GMA Pinoy, you want to click on it. And then you want to add GMA Pinoy to your membership by paying for 15 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your payment with PayPal, credit or debit card. And then after you are done with the payment, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, and then you want to click on the search icon. And then you want to search for GMA. And here on GMA News TV, you want to click on it. Then you want to scroll down and you can see the live session of GMA News TV. Well, you can also click on the news and see the news from GMA News TV and also the public affairs. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch GMA News TV on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.